Have you ever wondered how to access your Akashic records? The Akashic records are an infinite spiritual archive containing all of your experiences, thoughts, words, and actions from every lifetime you have lived. This is a treasure trove of wisdom and deep understanding, not only about yourself, but also about every aspect of the universe. Accessing the Akashic records can open doors to healing, spiritual growth, and discovering your life purpose. Today, I will guide you on a journey to explore the mysteries of the Akashic records. I am Jordi from the Conscious Mind Short Meditations channel, and together we will connect deeply with the soul to find precious spiritual messages. In this meditation, you will find the key to unlock the door to the Akashic records, where ancient wisdom lies within you. Before we begin, I want to remind you that more than 90% of the viewers of our videos have not subscribed to the channel. Subscribing is not just a way of supporting, but it's also how we share and spread light. If you find this content helpful, remember to subscribe and follow us on social media so we can continue expanding our spiritual journey together. Before embarking on the journey to explore the Akashic records, it's important to create a sacred meditation space where you feel safe and protected. Find a quiet place in your home, free from interruptions. You can light a candle, symbolizing the light of wisdom and understanding you seek. Place a few crystals nearby, such as amethyst, to enhance intuition, or rose quartz for loving energy. You can also place spiritual symbols or images you resonate with to create a stronger connection with the spiritual realm. Sit comfortably or lie down if you prefer, but it's important to keep your spine straight. This allows energy to flow freely throughout your body, from the base to the crown of your head. Close your eyes and feel the contact of your body with the ground, as if you are being supported by the earth's energy. Take a few deep breaths to calm your mind and relax your body. Now, imagine yourself stepping into a sacred personal space. This is a place where time stops and the outside world quietly fades away. This space could be a tranquil garden, an ancient temple, or any place where you feel most at peace. This is your sacred sanctuary, where you can connect with yourself and the Akashic records. Feel the peaceful presence and begin to mentally prepare for your journey deep within your soul. When you're ready, start by taking deep breaths. Inhale slowly, feeling the cool air entering your lungs, and exhale, allowing any tension in your body to melt away. Continue breathing deeply, and with each exhale, you feel more relaxed and your mind becomes more still. Now prepare for the next step, opening the door to the Akashic records. Imagine a radiant gateway of light before you. This gateway emanates a warm and inviting energy. It is the door that leads to the treasure of universal knowledge, where all your experiences and lessons from many lifetimes are stored. As you approach, the gate slowly opens, and the light within floods the space around you, bringing with it a sense of peace and tranquility. You can feel the presence of light beings, spiritual guides who are always by your side to protect and guide you. As you pass through this gateway, you are welcomed into a sacred space, which could be a vast library filled with books and scrolls, or a serene temple adorned with shimmering statues and gentle light. Everything here seems to radiate peace and reverence. This is where your Akashic records are kept. With an open heart and reverence, you can begin asking your personal questions. Ask with gratitude and respect, as if you are conversing with a wise teacher. These questions could relate to your life purpose, important decisions, or anything you are seeking answers to. Trust that through the Akashic records, you will receive the guidance you need. As your meditation session draws to a close, take a moment to express deep gratitude to the spiritual guides and beings of light who have protected and assisted you throughout the journey. You can silently say in your mind or aloud, "Thank you for the wisdom, love, and protection I have received today." Now, gently return to your normal state of awareness. Gradually feel your body, listen to the sounds around you, and reconnect with the ground beneath your feet. If you have been lying down, slowly stretch your muscles. And if sitting, gently move your fingers and toes. Take a few deep breaths, each exhale bringing you back to the present reality, while still carrying the peace and wisdom from the Akashic records. Now, gently return to your normal state of awareness. Gradually feel your body, listen to the sounds around you, and reconnect with the ground beneath your feet. If you have been lying down, slowly stretch your muscles, and if sitting, gently move your fingers and toes. Take a few deep breaths. Each exhale bringing you back to the present reality, while still carrying the peace and wisdom from the Akashic records. Once fully back to normal awareness, you may write down your experiences in a journal. This not only helps you retain the insights you have received, but also deepens your connection with the Akashic records with each meditation. Remember, you can reconnect with the Akashic records whenever you feel the need for clarity, guidance, or simply a moment of peace in life. This connection is always available to you, as long as you open your heart and are ready to receive.